ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Hello children, hope you all are fine. I heartily welcome you all to Samveda E-classes. Unit 7, Professions of Class 4th, Subject English, Second Language, Topic Prepositions, Session 5th, Facilitator Kashifa Anjum, School name GUHPS Ashapur Road, Raichur. In this session, we will learn rhyme, prepositions, definition of prepositions, types of preposition and exercises. Before moving to the next activity, before starting the lesson, I request you all to be ready with your textbook, notebook, pencil and eraser. Dear children, would you like to recite a rhyme? Yes. 5 little soldiers. Then the name of the rhyme is 5 little soldiers. 5 little soldiers standing in a row, 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain and what do you think? They all stood straight as quick as a wink. Okay children, once again I'll recite the poem. 5 little soldiers. 5 little soldiers standing in a row, 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain and what do you think? They all stood straight as quick as a wink. I hope you all enjoyed the rhyme. So children, can you read the underlined words from the rhyme? 5 little soldiers standing in a row, 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain and what do you think? They all stood straight as quick as a wink. What are the words that were underlined in the rhyme? What are they? They are in, along and as. In, along and as. These underlined words in the poem are called prepositions. The underlined words in the poem are called prepositions. Now we'll see the meaning of prepositions. See here, this is a word, preposition. Pre means pehle. Pre यानी पहले. Position means जगह. Pre, before. Position, place. Before यानी कौन से भी अल्फाज से पहले आने वाला लफ्ज. Preposition means the words which come before a noun or pronoun. As we know that prepositions come before noun and pronoun, let's see the definition of noun. अब हम noun के माने, noun यानी इसम के माने देखेंगे. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, idea or quality. Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, idea or quality. For example, girl, boy, city, David, truth, goat, honesty, table. See here, David is a name. Girl, boy, these are persons. Truth, idea, table, thing. These are called nouns. Now we'll see the meaning of pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. यानी ज़मीर. इसम के बदले जो लफ्ज इस्तेमाल होता है, instead of noun, the words which are used instead of noun. For example, I, we, us, me, he, she, him, her, it, they, them. Now I hope you understand the meaning of noun and pronoun. Now we'll move to the next activity, that is we'll see the examples of preposition. The emperor was sitting on the throne. Here emperor is a noun and throne is also a noun. On is a preposition. The shepherd boy was standing before the emperor. Here in this sentence, before is a preposition. The ministers were sitting in the court. In, this is the preposition in this session. The balloon man goes to the market. The preposition in this sentence is to. The carts and people get between the balloon man. The carts and people get between the balloon man. The preposition in this sentence is between. Now we'll see the words which are commonly used as prepositions. They are about, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, concerning, down, during, except, for, from, in, into, like, of, on, out, over, past, since, through, to, toward, under, underneath, until, unto, up, upon, with, within, without. Now once again I'll read these words. If you want, you copy these words in your notebook. About, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, concerning, down, during, except, for, from, in, into, like, of, on, out, over, past, since, through, to, toward, under, underneath, until, unto, up, upon, with, within, without. Let's know the different types of prepositions. Prepositions have different types of preposition. Simple preposition. When the preposition consists of one word is called single or simple preposition. यानी एक लफ्ज, छोटा लफ्ज जो होता है उसको हम preposition, simple preposition कहते हैं. Double preposition. When the preposition consists of more than one word, it is called double prepositions. एक जुमले में एक से ज्यादा अगर prepositions आ गए उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Double preposition. Compound preposition. Compound preposition consists of two or more words. यहाँ भी compound preposition के मानी क्या है? एक या एक से ज्यादा जहां पर preposition इस्तेमाल होते हैं उसको हम compound preposition कहते हैं. Participle preposition. Participle preposition consists of words that end in ing. The words, ऐसे अल्फाज जो ing पे खत्म होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Participle preposition. Disguised preposition. By, can, be, changed into be, on, into, and, of, can be changed into o. For example, 5 o'clock. Phrase preposition. Group of words used with the force of a single preposition is called phrase prepositions. Now we'll learn some more types of prepositions according to functionality. यानी ज्यादातर इस्तेमाल होने वाले prepositions, ऐसे prepositions जो ज्यादातर इस्तेमाल होते हैं उसके types. At, the preposition is at. At is used with a definite point of time. I usually get up at 5 o'clock. I usually, मैं हमेशा सुबह में 5 बजे उठता हूँ या उठती हूँ. With festivals, at जो word है preposition है वो festivals यानी ईदों पर भी इस्तेमाल होता है. Christopher will come at New Year. Christopher New Year को आता है. In, the preposition is in. It is used with the parts of the day. For example, noon, used at months, seasons and year. यानी इन कहाँ पर इस्तेमाल होता है? जहाँ पर दिन के पहर बताना होता है, सुबह, दोपहर, शाम. सीजन्स यानी मौसम और मंथ्स महीने, साल बताने के वक्त. जो जब हम जुमले बनाते हैं जिसमें वक्त यानी दिन के पहर होते हैं, महीने होते हैं, साल होते हैं, वहां पर हम इन इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, ही टेक्स अ वॉक इन द आफ्टरनून. वो आफ्टरनून यानी दोपहर में वॉक करते हैं. प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस. प्लेस यानी जगह. At, this is the preposition, refers to an exact point. Exact point पे हम at का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, the tourist stayed at the tourist hotel. जहाँ पर ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर हमें उसका पक्का यकीन होता है, यानी टूरिस्ट यानी stayed at the tourist hotel. At, यहाँ पर at क्या है? preposition है. tourist hotel क्या है? exact प्लेस है यानी जगह है. He studied at Oxford. Oxford एक क्या है? यूनिवर्सिटी है. यहाँ पर at क्या है? preposition. He studied, वो ऑक्सफोर्ड में पढ़ रहा था. He is waiting at the door. वो door यानी दरवाजे के पास ठहरा हुआ था. He was waiting यानी वो दरवाजे के पास ठहर के इंतजार कर रहा था. In refers to larger areas. He lives in New York. वो न्यूयॉर्क में रहता है. Preposition of direction or movement. Direction means sim. From refers to the point of departure. Example, the man parted from his friends. यानी from कहाँ पर यूज होता है? जहाँ से हम निकलते हैं. The man parted from his friends. यानी वो अपने दोस्तों से मिलकर आ रहा था. We scrambled from our trucks and ran after them. After refers to sequence. Example, she came after me. As after Fayaz began his researches into electricity. Now we'll move on to the next activity. Definition and examples of preposition. अब हमने types of preposition देखा. अब यहाँ पर हम उसके definition और थोड़े मिसाल देखेंगे. Preposition of time. Preposition of time means some prepositions shows when something happens. They are called preposition of time. Some prepositions shows when something happens. They are called preposition of time. For example, school starts at 7 o'clock. School starts at 7 o'clock. We are going to the mall on Saturday. Now you can't watch a video. It's past your bedtime already. Visited my grandparents during the summer. You must finish the work by Friday. I will do my homework before dinner. At, on, past, during, by, before. These underlined words in the sentences are called preposition of time. Now we'll see some more examples of preposition of टाइम, ऑन, डेज एंड डेट्स। ऑन कहाँ पर इस्तेमाल होता है? जहां पर हम दिन या उसके डेट्स यानी तारीख बताते हैं। ऑन ट्यूसडे, ऑन सैटरडे, ऑन 5 अप्रैल। यहाँ पर देखिए ट्यूसडे और सैटरडे क्या है? दिन है। और यहाँ पर 5 अप्रैल, अप्रैल यानी महीना, तारीख बताते हैं, वहां भी हम ऑन इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ऑन 12th March 2019, on Sunday morning, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on New Year's Eve, on Independence Day. इन यानी लॉन्गर पीरियड्स यानी बहुत लंबा अरसे में हम क्या करते हैं? इनका इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इन 2010, in 18th century, in the 1960s, in the next century, in the next century, in the Ice Age, in February, in the Middle Ages, in the summer, in the past. At the time of day, at कहाँ पर इस्तेमाल करते हैं? टाइम यानी वक्त, दिन के वक्त हम क्या करते हैं? इस्तेमाल करते हैं। at sunset, at sunrise, at bedtime, at noon, at dinner time, at midnight, at 11:30 p.m., at 12 o'clock, at lunch time. Now we'll see the next preposition. Definition and examples of preposition of place. Some prepositions show where something happens. They are called preposition of place. Example, Sani was sitting under a tree. There is a wooden floor underneath the carpet. Some geese flew over their house. John and Sarah were hiding inside the wardrobe. There was a tree beside the river. I have a friend who lives in America. See here, these underlined words, under, underneath, over, inside, beside, in. These underlined words in these sentences are called preposition of place. Now we'll see the examples. See here, behind यानी पीछे, in front आगे, next to बाजू, between बीच में, near नजदीक, above ऊपर, below नीचे, in अंदर, on ऊपर। यहाँ पर देखिए above यानी बहुत ऊपर, on यानी उसके ऊपर रखा हुआ, behind, in front, next to, between, near, above, below, in and on. These are the examples of preposition of place. Now we'll move to the next types of preposition, that is the preposition of direction. Some prepositions show where something is going. They are called preposition of direction. For example, the boys chased after each other. The football rolled down the hill. A man was walking his dog along the river bank. The freeway goes right through the city. We were traveling towards Miami. These underlined words, after, down, along, right, towards, these are the examples of preposition of direction. Now we'll see some more examples. Into the box, यानी ये चूहा बॉक्स के अंदर जा रहा है. आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, बाहर आना, बॉक्स के बाहर आ रहा है. अराउंड द बॉक्स, बॉक्स के अतराफ, आजू बाजू. अवे फ्रॉम द बॉक्स, दूर, बॉक्स से दूर. टुवर्ड द बॉक्स, बॉक्स के नजदीक यानी बॉक्स के तरफ आ रहे हैं. पास्ट द बॉक्स, बॉक्स को छोड़कर जा रहे हैं. ऑन टू द बॉक्स, उसके नजदीक. ऑन टू द बॉक्स यानी उसके ऊपर. ऑफ द बॉक्स, नीचे. ओवर द बॉक्स, ऊपर. अंडर द वॉल यानी वॉल के पीछे. थ्रू द पाइप, थ्रू द पाइप, पाइप के अंदर से. अक्रॉस द ब्रिज, ब्रिज पार करते हुए. अप द स्टेयर्स यानी चढ़ रहे हैं. सीढ़ियां चढ़ रहे हैं. अप द स्टेट्स ऊपर, डाउन द स्टेट्स नीचे. Let's solve some exercises related to preposition. Preposition of time. Now we have to solve some exercises. Look here. Time preposition worksheet. Complete the sentences with correct preposition. Here they have given some preposition in the boxes. यहाँ पर थोड़े prepositions दिए गए हैं, वो इस्तेमाल करके हमें यहाँ पर लिखना है, sentences बनाना है. We always go to New York dash May. I have a meeting dash 15th April. I always wake up dash 6 a.m. Ron has been in the village dash Monday. It's his birthday dash Monday. Emma will work with them dash 1 month. He retired October. I'll be back dash an hour. The weather dash spring is nice. I have been living here dash 1 year. Now we'll see the answers. We always go to New York in May. यानी महीना. हम हमेशा न्यूयॉर्क कौन से महीने में जाते हैं? मई के महीने में जाते हैं. I have always meeting on 15th April. On 15th April. I always wake up at 6 a.m. Ron has been in the village since Monday. It's his birthday on Monday. Emma will work with them for 1 month. He retired in October. I'll be back in an hour. The weather in spring is nice. I have been living here since 1 year. Now we'll see the next activity related to preposition of time. Complete the sentences. My birthday is dash the 16th of May. She was born dash 1993. It happened dash June 2018. She will come dash Monday. He will come dash 10 a.m. They like to ski dash winter. We moved to the city dash 2016. I will finish work dash an hour. They will meet dash Sunday. She will go to abroad dash winter. See here, use at with specific time, hour, minutes. For example, midnight, midday, 10:30 a.m. Use at for a holiday period of 2 or more days. For example, weekend or year end. Use on for specific days on dates. Example, Sunday, holiday, Christmas. Use in for specific months, years, seasons, centuries and lengths of time. For example, 2019, winter, summer. Now we'll see the examples. Answers. Complete the sentences. My birthday is on the 16th of May. Here, this is a specific date and specific month. She was born in 1993. It happened in June 2018. She will come on Monday. He will come at 10 a.m. They like to ski in winter. We moved to this city in 2016. I will finish work in an hour. They will meet on Sunday. She will go to abroad in winter. Now we'll see the next activity related to prepositions of place. Look and complete the preposition of place. यहाँ पर थोड़े prepositions दिए गए हैं boxes में और examples यानी pictures भी दिए गए हैं. उन्हें देखकर इन खाली जगहों में आपको prepositions fill करना है. The cat is dash the box. The bird is dash the boxes. The cat is dash the box. The bird is dash the box. The cat is dash the box. The cat is dash the box. Here the words are between, behind, on, under, in front of and in. Now we will see the answers of this activity. The cat is under the table. Under यानी नीचे, उसके नीचे है. The bird is between the boxes. See here, the bird is in between these two boxes. The bird is in between these two boxes. The cat is in the box. Cat कहाँ पर है? Box के अंदर है. The bird is on the box. The bird is on the box. The cat is in front of the box. See here, the cat is in front यानी आगे. The cat is behind the box यानी cat कहाँ पर है? उसके पीछे है. Box के पीछे है. Now we'll see some more activities. True or false. See here, see the picture and write the sentence whether these sentences are true or false. You have to circle the answer. The radio is in the table. The telephone is behind the plant. The book is on the table. The lamp is under the sofa. The TV is front of the sofa. The clock is on the books. The bike is behind the sofa. The rug is under the table. यहाँ पर थोड़े sentences यानी जुमले दिए गए हैं. इस पिक्चर को देखकर आपको लिखना है सही वो जुमले सही हैं या गलत हैं. अब हम उसके आंसर्स जवाबात देखते हैं. We'll see the answers. The radio is in the table. Wrong. See here, the radio is on the table. So, the sentence is false. This is the false sentence. The telephone is behind the plant. Is it true? No. The telephone is behind, no, in front of the plant. So, this sentence is also false. The book is on the table. See here, the book is on the table. Very good. This is true. The lamp is under the sofa. No, wrong. That is false. This statement is false. The lamp is beside sofa. The TV is front of the sofa. This statement is true. TV is in front of the, see here, the TV is in front of the sofa. The clock is on the books. No, the clock is not on the books. The clock is away from the books. The bike is behind the sofa. No, the bike is beside the table. So, the statement is false. The rug is under the table. No, the statement is false. The preposition of direction. Complete each sentence with the preposition. Here also they have given some fill in the blank. You have to fill the right preposition in these blanks. The dog dashed the bridge. The train was moving dashed the station. The rabbit hopped the hedge. The kids were running dashed the tree. The bird flew dash its nest. The mouse peeped dash the hole. Ralph dived dash the pool. Sally walked dash the coach. Zoe jumped dash the wall to open the gate. The hikers climbed dash the hill. Now you have to fill the answers, yani fill the correct prepositions in these blanks. Now we will see the answers. The dog ran on the bridge. The train was moving to the station. The rabbit hopped to the hedge. The kids were running under the tree. The bird flew to its nest. The mouse peeped from the hole. Ralph dived into the pool. Sally walked towards the coach. Zoe jumped from the wall to open the gate. The hikers climbed up the hill. Now we'll see the next activity. Preposition of direction. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Here they have given two prepositions. You have to select any, choose. You have to select the right answer. I write it in the blank. A west wind blows dash the west. A from, B away from. Second one, I just got dash France today. A from dash into. Her cup fell dash the sink. Onto, into. Come dash the second floor. Onto, B into. Disappointed, Alex turned dash Jen. A away from, B into. Now we'll see the answers. A west wind blows from the west. I just got from France today. Her cup fell into the sink. Come on to the second floor. Come on to the second floor. Disappointed, Alex turned away from Jen. Hope you all understand the meaning and types of prepositions. Now it's time for homework. Fill in the blanks choosing the words given in brackets. Note down these sentences in your notebook and write the answers as homework. The boy is sitting dash the tree. यहाँ पर थोड़े prepositions दिए गए हैं ब्रैकेट में, उनका इस्तेमाल करके ये sentences कंप्लीट करना है, इन जुमलों को कंप्लीट करना है. The boy is sitting dash the tree. The book is dash the shelves. Arfan is going dash London. Fatah is playing dash a ball. Mariam goes to school dash 9 o'clock. Here note down these sentences and write the correct answers in your notebooks as homework. Thank you children. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.
ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ.